Well, there, it's demonstration time. Let's go ahead and get started. Now we have labels, that's going to indicate the front of our fixtures. We're also on a swivel base, so we can put those folds directly in front of us, which is very helpful. We're going to go through a two-part process. We'll take our box, we're going to go ahead and set the box on top of the fixture, then we're going to press it down to make our fold. So let's go ahead and show you how that is done. We're just going to go ahead and take our box. We're going to set her on top of the fixture. I would recommend breaking these scores here and then pulling them up against those pillars. And now you're in a position to go ahead and set it into the fixture. So we can just go ahead and work it around using that swivel base, press her on in. And once we're in, we can go ahead and make our folds. A couple more. And this is my first time using it. I'm sure you'll get a little bit faster. And we have our completed box. Thank you very much.